This information highlights the critical importance of wearing eye protection when working with tools, specifically when stripping wires. An accident resulting in an eye injury underscores the potential dangers involved. The primary takeaway is that wearing appropriate eye protection is non-negotiable when performing tasks that could expose the eyes to hazards. Eye protection acts as a barrier, shielding the eyes from projectiles, debris, and other potential sources of injury. Failing to wear eye protection, even for seemingly simple tasks, can have serious and long-lasting consequences, potentially leading to vision impairment or even blindness. The experience of an individual who suffered an eye injury while stripping a wire should serve as a cautionary tale. The tool slipped, resulting in an impact to the eye and subsequent vision problems. This incident illustrates how quickly an accident can occur, even when working with familiar tools and materials. Prioritizing safety is essential to prevent similar incidents from happening to others. Safety glasses or goggles should be worn consistently, regardless of the perceived risk of the task. It is better to err on the side of caution and protect your eyes than to risk a potentially devastating injury. Eye protection should be selected based on the specific hazards present in the work environment. Safety glasses with side shields provide basic protection against flying particles, while goggles offer a more secure and comprehensive seal protecting against dust, fumes, and splashes. When working with electrical equipment, ensure that eye protection is non-conductive to prevent electrical shock. In addition to wearing eye protection, it is important to maintain tools in good working condition and use them properly. A dull or damaged tool is more likely to slip or malfunction, increasing the risk of injury. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for tool operation and maintenance. Creating a safe work environment involves not only individual responsibility, but also organizational support. Employers should provide employees with appropriate eye protection and ensure that they are trained on its proper use. Safety policies and procedures should be enforced to promote a culture of safety in the workplace. Regular safety audits can help identify potential hazards and ensure that safety measures are being followed. Investing in safety is an investment in the well-being of employees and the long-term success of the organization. By prioritizing safety and promoting a culture of prevention, we can reduce the risk of workplace injuries and create a safer and more productive work environment. One key aspect is understanding the various types of eye hazards that may be present in different work environments. These hazards can range from flying debris and dust particles to chemical splashes and radiation exposure. The appropriate type of eye protection will depend on the specific hazards involved. For example, workers who are exposed to flying debris should wear safety glasses with side shields or goggles. Those who are exposed to chemical splashes should wear chemical splash goggles that provide a tight seal around the eyes. And those who are exposed to radiation, such as welders, should wear specialized welding helmets with appropriate filters. Another important consideration is the fit and comfort of eye protection. Eye protection that is uncomfortable or does not fit properly is less likely to be worn consistently. It is essential to choose eye protection that fits snugly and comfortably without obstructing vision. Adjustable straps and nose pieces can help ensure a proper fit. Regular cleaning and maintenance of eye protection are also crucial. Dirty or scratched lenses can impair vision and reduce the effectiveness of the protection. Eye protection should be cleaned regularly with a mild soap and water solution and inspected for damage. Damaged eye protection should be replaced immediately. In addition to wearing eye protection, it is important to practice good housekeeping in the work area. Keeping the work area clean and free of clutter can help reduce the risk of slips, trips, and falls, which can also lead to eye injuries. Loose tools and materials should be stored properly, and spills should be cleaned up immediately. Proper lighting is also essential for preventing eye injuries. Adequate lighting can help workers see clearly and avoid accidents. Work areas should be well lit, and glare should be minimized. Task lighting can be used to provide additional illumination for specific tasks. Regular eye exams are also important for maintaining good vision and detecting potential eye problems early. Workers who wear prescription glasses should ensure that their eye protection is compatible with their glasses. Prescription safety glasses are available for those who require vision correction. Finally, it is important to remember that eye protection is just one part of a comprehensive safety program. Other safety measures, such as machine guarding, ventilation, and personal protective equipment, should also be implemented to create a safe work environment. By taking a proactive approach to safety, we can protect ourselves and our co-workers from eye injuries and other workplace hazards. There are several types of eye protection available, each designed for specific hazards. Firstly, safety glasses are the most common type of eye protection. They provide basic protection against flying particles and debris. Safety glasses are typically made of impact-resistant plastic or polycarbonate and have side shields to protect the eyes from the sides. Secondly, goggles provide a more secure and comprehensive seal around the eyes, protecting against dust, fumes, and splashes. Goggles are often used in environments where there is a high risk of exposure to chemicals or other hazardous materials. Thirdly, face shields provide full face protection against splashes, sprays, and flying debris. Face shields are often used in conjunction with safety glasses or goggles for added protection. Fourthly, welding helmets are specialized eye protection designed for welders. Welding helmets have a dark lens that protects the eyes from the intense light and radiation produced during welding. Fifthly, laser safety glasses are designed to protect the eyes from the harmful effects of laser radiation. Laser safety glasses have special filters that block specific wavelengths of light. The selection of appropriate eye protection should be based on a thorough hazard assessment of the work environment. The hazard assessment should identify all potential eye hazards and determine the type of eye protection that is necessary to protect workers. The hazard assessment should also consider the specific tasks that workers will be performing and the potential for exposure to different hazards. Once the hazard assessment is complete, the appropriate eye protection should be selected and provided to workers. Workers should be trained on the proper use and maintenance of eye protection. The training should cover topics such as how to properly fit eye protection, how to clean and inspect eye protection, and when to replace eye protection. Eye protection should be worn at all times when there is a potential for eye injury. This includes tasks such as grinding, cutting, drilling, sanding, welding, and working with chemicals. Eye protection should also be worn when working in areas where there is a risk of flying debris or dust. Eye protection should be properly maintained to ensure that it provides adequate protection. Eye protection should be cleaned regularly with a mild soap and water solution. Scratched or damaged eye protection should be replaced immediately. Eye protection should be stored in a clean and dry place when not in use. In addition to wearing eye protection, it is important to practice good safety habits in the work environment. These habits include keeping the work area clean and organized, using tools properly, and following all safety procedures. By following these safety precautions, workers can reduce the risk of eye injuries and create a safer work environment. The incident also highlights the importance of taking personal responsibility for safety. While employers have a responsibility to provide a safe work environment, workers also have a responsibility to protect themselves. This includes wearing appropriate eye protection, following safety procedures, and reporting any hazards to their supervisor. By working together, employers and employees can create a culture of safety that protects everyone from harm. Remember that even a momentary lapse in attention or a seemingly minor task can result in a serious eye injury. It is simply not worth the risk to work without eye protection. Make it a habit to always wear appropriate eye protection whenever there is a potential for eye injury. Your vision is precious, and it is worth protecting. In conclusion, wearing eye protection when working with tools is not just a recommendation, it is a necessity. The potential consequences of not wearing eye protection can be devastating. By prioritizing safety and making eye protection a habit, we can protect ourselves from eye injuries and maintain our vision for years to come. Safety should always be the top priority, and eye protection is an essential part of any safety program. Take the time to assess the hazards in your work environment, select the appropriate eye protection, and wear it consistently. Your eyes will thank you for it. Ignoring safety protocols, especially when it comes to eye protection, can lead to irreversible damage. Don't let a moment of carelessness result in a lifetime of impaired vision. Always prioritize safety and wear eye protection when working with tools or in environments where there is a risk of eye injury.